dance is called The Way You Make Me Feel. 32 count, 4 walls. There's no tag and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Do a diagonal kick ball cross. Kick ball cross. Again, repeat. Kick ball cross. Step your right to the side. Step left legs to right. Do a heel bounce. Step left to the side. Section 1 with a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 2, cross right over left. Step left to the side. Do a half turn sailor cross. Quarter and a quarter and a cross. Step left to left. Hook right in front of left. Step left to the side with a clip. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. A quarter to your left. Quarter. Make a half turn to the left, stepping right back. Do a back coaster. Back together forward. Camel walks. Right, pop left knee. Step left forward, pop right knee. Repeat. Step right forward, pop left knee. Step left forward, pop right knee. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Walk back on right. Walk back right. Left, right, left. Out, out, hold. Step right to the side, left to the side, hold 1 count. Out, out, hold 1 count. And do a ball step with the left. Cross right over left. Ball step cross. Half turn unwind. And you face 3 o'clock. So now the last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, hold 6 and 7, 8. And you finish the dance here, facing 3 o'clock for wall 2. Let me show you the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 6 and 7, 8.